I think this is live. Probably. We'll let it warm up, I guess. Yeah, chill stream. Today's gonna be a chill stream. We're just gonna do boring stuff. So you probably wouldn't want to watch it. Or maybe you will. Who knows? Don't have high hopes. So. Oh, nice, I'm live. Yay. So yesterday on stream, someone asked me how do we run O1 from OpenInterpreter with like groq or something else. And I try to do it with just like system flags, like I think I tried poetry run O1 and then like normally you do model something here, but that doesn't work. And I confirmed with Killian, actually went live on stream yesterday, pushing to main and McCrispy, 2 hours. They dropped like quite a lot of info here. And I was on the stream and I asked them about. Oh, we don't get the chat replay. I asked them about the O1 and how we can use other models, and they pretty much confirmed that the only way to do that is to change the source code. Yeah, I also asked about the skills library. So yeah, I'm gonna try change the source code to get O1 running with groq or something. I think that'll be interesting. Let's do that. Yo, Joe, what's up? What's the time here? It's 7:02 p.m. Can you see it when I do that? You can't really see it, but yeah, 7:02. Run console. Console.groq. There we go. And apologies if anyone else in the other chats have talked, but oh wait, hold on. Is this my chat box? No, that's not the chat box. But I think it takes a while for the chat to load. 11 a.m. here? Okay, great. That's not too bad. Normally I stream like 3-4 hours ago and it's like 2 a.m. for a lot of people, so. That's good. That I think 11 a.m.'s a kind of decent time. So yeah, what I'm going to try to do is load O1 with groq by changing the source code. So the file you want to change is this i.py file, which is in software source server i.py. Probably make this bigger for everyone to be able to see really easily if you're on a mobile device. And pretty much, let's see, down here they have this method configure interpreter, and they pretty much set every variable needed to configure interpreter. Pretty straightforward, right? Where did my, hold on, sorry guys. There we go. Okay, the other chat is now loaded. Great. So yeah, let's just try configure this. So model we will set to one of the OpenAI groq models. So I think Llama 70B is probably the best. You want the model ID here. And I think we also want to change the API base to be groq's API base, which they've kindly provided here, with ending with v1. Oh, Flash Baby, what's up? Sorry, I missed any of your previous messages, so please type them again. Okay, they're the only two. We also need the API key. So go interpreter .llm.api key, and let's just create one that we have to delete. Looks like we already have a delete me here that I forgot to delete from last time, so make another one. And we'll add our API key right here. And that's it, hopefully. Let's see. Let's see if that works. I'm just gonna run. Now the thing is, O1 uses a vision model, I'm pretty sure. So I'm pretty sure we still have to use GPT-4 vision. But I think a lot of the non-vision stuff will be handled by groq now, hopefully. Another thing is, like, O1 is really expensive. Yesterday on stream, I used it for less than like 10 minutes and it cost me like $4 US. So, yeah. So hopefully with using groq, it'll be a lot cheaper. We'll find out. Batman says you're writing an interpreter. I didn't write this myself. It's an open source one, open interpreter, probably the best code interpreter. And then they have the O1 kind of shell around it, which kind of acts as a server that you can use voice to talk to. Oh shit, hella people on the chat. Yo, nice haircut. Thanks. It's actually been a while since I got the haircut, but I did shave this bit while I was shaving. Haven't caught up on all the streams. Which is more capable now, Pi Win Assistant or O1? Well, it depends what platform you're on. I'd say Pi Win Assistant might be better at some Windows things, but I think O1 is definitely better on Mac. And then in the future, I think O1 like just has a bigger community and more resources. They're like going to be releasing a whole bunch of stuff. If you guys are really interested in O1, I definitely recommend seeing like some of Killian's stream here, where they discuss a lot about it. Seems like they're getting some really exciting updates coming, especially if you're a developer. Apparently they're bringing in some new tools where you can use O1 to like edit code projects and stuff through your voice, which I'm really excited for. So a bit of skills around that. Yeah. Flashwebby says, I watched Spider-Man cartoon when I was a kid and he invented a technology named flashwebs that works similar to stun grenade. Oh, that's where your name comes from. That's cool. Yo, Brutal Strike, what's up? 2:30 p.m. Nice. Nice. Thanks for all the subs, guys. I think these are all just old subs that are coming in. All right, let's see what Open Interpreter does if I talk now. The thing is, I don't have any credits remaining. Can we see that in billing? Where do I see my credits? Batching settings? Probably in here, eh? No? Settings? Billing, yes. Yeah, see, I have negative credits, so none of my OpenAI things will work. So if this does work, it's not from OpenAI, but I feel like it still needs OpenAI. So let's just test Open Chrome. Incorrect API key. Okay, interesting. So it does look like it's still trying to ping OpenAI. And that could be for various reasons. Let me check if there's anything else here that I might need to change. Supports vision. Let's try turn this off. See if that changes anything. Yo, weird guy, what's up? Morgan says, is this JavaScript? No, it's built in Python. Open Chrome. Okay, again, incorrect API key. Oh, it's for Whisper. So they use Whisper to transcribe the speech to text, and that requires so that's actually another reason why it might not work with this, because we need two separate API keys, one for Whisper, one for groq. Which is interesting. And I don't think they have like a... Can we see what file the speech to text goes into? Okay, software services, speech to text. Oh, interesting. It's open in cursor. So right here, whisper. Wait, is this a local thing? Another thing, Killian said that they are rewriting O1. I don't know if yeah, O1 rewrite. So in this, maybe they're not using, I think one of the main things they're trying to do, maybe not in this rewrite, is, yeah, use these offline, open source text-to-speech and speech-to-text packages, so we don't have to rely on Whisper. But honestly, it seems like the current state of O1, it's like heavily reliant on OpenAI. So even though you do change the model thing here, it has issues trying to then do the speech to text, because I think it relies on Whisper for that. And then I think it will have a similar issue for the vision as well. Is there a way to use Cursor for free without the 50 limit? If you only use the chat, you can supply your own API key in Cursor, but there's a lot of functionality where they have their own models and you can't actually use it without either paying, like you can't use your own API key for those. Yo, Dad's AirPods, do you know where I can find a code for my live that allows viewers to move or jump? What do you mean move or jump? Like in real life, or move platforms? Move their avatars? Whisper local. Yeah, I feel like we need a... Oh, they have a local Whisper file. Oh, interesting. Hold on. I wonder if we can somehow use this. Is there anywhere that Whisper is configured here? Local Whisper. So they do have a local Whisper thing. I'm just not sure if there's a way here. Oh, here we go. If we go --SST service local Whisper, maybe we can do a local Whisper. Okay. Let's see how that works. We're going to try that with local Whisper. I have no idea what's going to happen here. Oh, like jump or move my character if I'm playing COD. I see what you're saying now, AirPods. So yeah, you'll have to have some software that listens to your chat, and then, and also maybe GIFs, and then that also like executes commands on your computer. I've seen that happening on some lives too, but yeah, I can't really recommend any specific projects or code bases for that. CC asks, what's the cost? Cost for what? Running O1? It was actually quite expensive. It's just using the GPT-4 API and Whisper. For like 10 minutes of usage yesterday, I ended up paying like $4. So it was very expensive. But now I'm trying to do everything with groq and local models, so we'll see how that goes. Looks like it's building a whole bunch of other stuff just to run Whisper locally. We'll see how it goes. Did I hit the limit? I think there's GPT 3.5 unlimited. Oh, you're talking to Weird Guy? No, Cursor like has their own limits if you don't supply an API key. But yeah, okay, so let's see if this local transcription works. Open Chrome. Oh shit, it worked. Excellent. Hell yeah. Oh, damn. And then we got another OpenAI error. This time it is text-to-speech. Can we turn off text-to-speech? I don't really need it. Let's see. Text to speech. Oh yeah, we can use a local service with Piper. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, let's do local speech to text and local text to speech like this. What are my system specs? This is just an M1 Pro. Yeah, seems enough to be able to run local transcription and potentially text to speech as well. I wonder if I could make Jarvis now. Yeah, heaps of people are making Jarvis. Yo, Khaled, what's up? Yo, Ben and Toilet, good to see you. What am I doing? I'm testing O1 without using OpenAI. So this is something that you can speak to your computer and it does stuff for you. So I'm trying to tell it to open Chrome. It's a very basic example. Hopefully it works. Let's see. You can also maybe hear the local speech.
Let me open Chrome for you.
Wow, and that was a local speech to text. I mean text to speech. And it did it. It did it. Awesome, guys.
Chrome is now open.
And that's with
What would you like to do next?
That's without using OpenAI because I don't have enough credits for OpenAI, so it wouldn't have worked. I have negative credits. So that's awesome. We have for some reason it's searching concerts in Seattle even though I haven't set it. It's running Llama 70B, which
It looks like there are some concerts in Seattle coming up.
I think this was from the system.
Would you like me to check the schedule for a specific venue?
Okay, so let me run down exactly what I did to get O1 working without using OpenAI. So I'm running it with groq, which has a free API, and I'm running a local text transcription with local whisper and a local text-to-speech with Piper. I've tested this on Mac. I feel like there will be some issues on Windows, but this works on Mac. So the first thing you need to do is open up i.py, this folder in the source code. The only way we can do this at the moment is by changing the source code. There's no flags to change the model without it yet. I'm sure they will definitely add that later. But yeah, in i.py, you see the system message for O1 and a whole bunch of other configurations, such as the interpreter configuration. And in here, you have to have these 3 lines. Interpreter.llm.model, I've set it to Llama 370B, and this is the model key for groq's Llama 370B. And you set the API base to groq's, which looks like this, api.groq.com/openai/v1, and you set your API key from groq. And yeah, so that's all the code you need to change. And then when you're running this from the terminal, you have to include these flags. Wait, is this a different terminal? What happened to my terminal session? Oh yeah, I think I ran clear. You have to run these flags. --stt-server space local-whisper. That sets up the local text transcription, speech to text. And then also for local text to speech, you go --tts-service space Piper. And that sets up the local text to speech. And that's it. You just run that and you have Open Interpreter without running, you have O1 without using any OpenAI APIs. Sweet. Try removing text to speech. Yo, it works, yeah. Didn't have to remove it, luckily. Yeah, it's fast. groq is super fast. Yo, Absent. Where do you normally access OI history? I'm investing time into integrating OI with Open Web UI. Is there any better interface? History, I don't. So I'd normally, before, sometimes I did, when I was using LM Studio, it had the server logs, I'd export that. You can save the Open Interpreter history, but yeah, it's not something I've really done that much. But yeah. Hello, Absent too. Khalid, thanks for sharing the live. Tia, thanks for following. Mangela, thanks for following. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see if I can teach O1 a skill. I tried this last stream. almost worked. I'm going to teach it a very basic skill. Let's just try to get it to open Chrome, even though that's something that, you know, we don't need a skill because it's just one line, but I just want to see it save a skill. Yo, Mr. T, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you? I want to teach you a skill called Open Chrome skill. It's a very shit name, but whatever. Try to buy something, make it complex. I bet you it'll fail at that. I just want to teach it a skill. Hopefully this will work. This is like my most...
One moment.
So it has this thing, create new skills, which should save these skills. Like these can be really complex
What is the name
skills
of the skill?
in the future, but we're just going to keep it really simple. Open Chrome skill. Have I tried PyWin Assistant? Yeah, I have, Mr.
Please
T.
provide more information.
I actually have a video on that. If you check, my TikTok or whatever, Instagram, YouTube, I have a short form video on PyWin Assistant about 3 to 2 videos ago. And then I've also tested it on stream like two to 3 streams ago. Okay, so we have an error. Export audio to FFmpeg. Oh, wow. I'm not sure why this is an issue. Okay. All right, I've given up on the skills. Someone said try to buy something complex. Let's try that. What should I buy? A camera case. Or let's just search. Navigate to amazon.com.au on Chrome and search for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone cases. Yo, Fawad, I'm doing well, thank you. How are you doing? Yeah, it should have gotten the name already, I know. The skills thing doesn't work too well at the moment. But it's a feature I really want.
Let me navigate to Amazon for you.
Oh, and this is an issue with Llama.
It looks like there are many options for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone cases on Amazon.
It doesn't realize there's an invalid syntax. Yeah, Llama's a bit stupid. But we could try a different API. Should we try Mixtral? I'm gonna quickly try Mixtral. Where's the Mixtral model? Let's see if this performs any better. Alright, let's try that again. Is it free API? Yeah, the groq API is free. Hey, PixL, long time. Fuad says, regarding PyWin Assistant, do you need the GPT-4 API key? Yes, you do. I think. Well, someone in my comment said you could run it offline, but I don't know if that's true or not. The FFmpeg error is because of the static at the start of your audio. Oh. Okay. Should we try add a skill again? Okay, I'm going to try make a skill again. I want to create a new skill. I won't tell it what it's called this time because I know it's going to ask me anyway. I want to.
Sure, I can help you create a new skill.
Okay, this is different.
My apologies. It seems I made a mistake in the code. I forgot to remove the extra argument when copying the template.
The Mistral instruct is best? Yeah.
The correct code should be,
there is no
my
instruct
apologies.
on groq.
It seems I made a mistake again.
What I can do is run a local model, probably
The correct
off
code
my
should be,
computer.
I apologize for the confusion.
Yeah, no, this is just going in circles now. Brutal Strike says we get free API of Hugging Face. How do we do that? How to get free LLM of Hugging Face. Plot says it always crashes after the second command. Oh, what's the error you get? Rahman, hello. How are you doing? This time I added the name, yeah, but user defined name. Sucks, there's like no good models. Maybe because you changed the mix rule. Llama 3 actually, yeah, Llama 3 actually did try to do it correctly. Maybe we'll go back. Alright, let's try Llama 3. Hold on. You're training Roberta model for Arabic. Multitask prediction. Sick. Fine-tune 7B models. Yeah, man. I really like Wizard LM. You're heading to Queensland Open Hub seminar on Wednesday. Oh, sick. What's Open Hub? Some open source thing? Alright. I want to create a new skill called Search Bananas in Chrome.
Let me create that skill for you.
Ah, see, this is the issue with...
Let me
Oh,
fix
I
that.
fixed it. Oh, it went straight away into creating the new skill. Seems to be missing a parameter though. Looks like it doesn't actually save these files either, does it? Or maybe it will.
Let me try again.
I'll load up my computer so we can run some models, some 7B models off my computer. Let me do it for you. Looks like it's stuck. I need to use a better model. Yeah, I'm just loading up my computer now, so let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. How can I do this? Let's see. Okay, hold on. 1 second. Okay. Original. All right. All right. Hold on. Let's see. Wait. Can you guys see that? No. We're gonna load some models here. Yes. AI models. Wait, no. Why doesn't CD work? The fuck? What? Well, let me change directories, man. This is so weird. What the fuck? Why? Alright, we're gonna use LM Studio. I think, will that work? Curve monitor, yeah, I love this monitor. Ultra wide. Okay, Let's go with Wizard LM2. Port 8080. Let's find out what my IP is. 192.168.115. All right, let's see if that works on my computer. All right, I'll probably switch back here. One sec. Oh shit. Actually, I think that should be all right. Yeah. 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 Let's see. 192.168.115.8080. Okay, I think V1 models. Yes. All right. Wizard LM2. Oh, what the hell is up with this? Why is there black? Hold on. Oh shit, what happened to my... Oh, there we go. That fixed it. Okay. Who did I miss in the chat? Shit, I've missed all the chat. Let me read the chat here. Nothing on Twitch? Don't they use args, quarks? Oh, I'm not sure. Yo, thank you. Oh, the Dyson one? Yeah, it's good for heating, but it's not great for cooling. Like, it's advertised as a heating cooling thing, but okay, whatever. All right, let's change our our API base to this, and I think we can do whatever model because LM Studio just handles that. And we also don't need an API key, I'm pretty sure. And I'll delete my groq one. Okay. Oops. We good, we good. Where am I at? It's 2 a.m. for you. I'm in Australia and it's 7:30 p.m. Okay, now we're running O1 with a local model. Let's see. Completely offline. Let's see if we can open Chrome. What's my favorite coding assistant? I have a whole thing on that, but I'd say either Aider, Mentat, or Cursor. Oh, you couldn't get LM Studio to use GPU. Interesting. So use OLama. What about Llama file? LLM OS. What is that again? I think I've like brushed across it. Yeah, continue is great for local models on VS Code. Does Aider have a Git thing? A GitHub like version? All right. Open Chrome. Ooh, it's trying to do a Hugging Face endpoint. LLM provider not provided. Okay, you passed in model whatever. Interesting. I'm not sure. What if I don't pass a model name? Might have to do like GPT or something. I feel like you're getting diminishing returns trying so many similar tools. Are you talking about the coding assistants or the like these ones? Open Chrome. How do you keep your data safe when using AI on your computer? That's a good question. Depends what AI tools you're using, and can you like limit their access? And what
Would
data you're
open
trying.
Google Chrome for the user.
Would open Google Chrome. Oh shit! I feel like Wizard LM might not be the best. LLM OS is an assistant with knowledge. Does local vision exist? Yeah, there's a model called Lava and like Lava Next. I don't think they're that good, but yeah, they exist. Okay. You integrated it with Pywin Assistant. Hell yeah. How did it go? I'm not sure if my the GPU is not working very hard. I'm not sure what's going on here. Still a work in progress, yeah. Just like all of these tools. Yeah, I can check. Hold on, let me check. Oh, I have an idea, actually. I'm gonna screen share. Let's make a Google Meet. Oh, it's constantly sending stuff to... What the hell? It's like stuck in a loop sending the chat to the API. This is why it cost me $4. It's constantly sending the whole conversation in a loop. It's like some kind of bug. That is not good. I have no idea why. I'm gonna quit it. I'll try it again. And if it does the same thing, I don't know. I'll give up. Open Google Chrome. It says finish streaming response. I don't know. I feel like this is low-key a problem with LM Studio. Can I open two windows with this? Two sources? Multi-window. Yo, that's sick. I think. No, it's only one. What the hell? Hold on, sorry. Just trying to figure out this external monitor. Here we go. Yeah, I actually kind of did it. The resolution's shit, but whatever. At least it's something. How do you keep your... I mean, it's safe by default. Why are you asking? It's not like your data is in the cloud. That could be breached. Yeah, if you're running like a local model, it should be safe. But if you're like, I don't know, I know some people are worried of using like OpenAI and stuff. I'm pretty sure this issue I have is with LM Studio, so I'm going to try and run these models with... Yo, Chow, thanks for the follow. I'm going to try run it with... What's this thing called? Llama file. I don't know which mice. It's actually so hard to see this screen here. All right. All right. Let's see if I'm running. Am I running this still? Okay. Yep, that's good. All right, so now I'm running the same model, but with Llama file instead of LM Studio, because I feel like sometimes LM Studio just hangs for some reason. I don't know. Let me just make sure that that's the case. Open Google Chrome. See you, Mr. T. Thanks so much for joining. Okay, that sounds good, except it's not using my GPU. I can hear my CPU going off. So I have to probably restart it. Okay. And it's trying to use a term. Okay, I mean, it worked. It opened Google Chrome, but it didn't use the operating system methods, interestingly. Let me try restart this with. Won't let me restart it. Okay, there we go. What's the... I hope it's using GPU now. I did a -N thing. Let's see if WizardLM knows how to create a skill. I doubt it. Seems like it's not really taking in the system prompt very well. We could change the system prompt. I want to create a new skill. Oh, it's still only using my CPU. Let me check. What are the flags?
Sure, I can help you with that.
NGL. I have to use.
To create a new skill, we'll define a function that represents the skill.
This is so slow. No, stop it. Ah, shit, I closed. Okay. Do it change the system prompt? Okay. Let's have a look at it. It's so long. Like, have a look at the system prompt. It's 180 to 13. It's about 160 lines. You are O1, a screenless executive assistant. Complete any task. You execute code on the user's machine. Be concise. Your messages are being read out loud. Do not make plans. That's so funny because in the Open Interpreter system prompt, they're like, make plans. I think I'm just going to make it a bit more concise. So we'll delete this example. I don't know, actually. Manager task. Store user's task in a Python list called tasks. Oh, cool. We'll just remove this. Computer API. That's kind of cool. GUI control. Skills. Yes, this is the skills. You already use these skills. They are already implemented. You can call them instantly. Teach mode. If the user says, I want to teach you something. All right, let's try trigger it with that. Let's say I want to teach you something. Yo, Alvin, thanks for the gifts. Cardi B, hey. How come I don't have an Australian accent? I don't know. It's just, I guess I've consumed a lot of American training data. GRBA, can you explain what this is? This is an open source package that lets me talk to my computer and tell it to do stuff. I'm trying to teach it a skill now, so I'm going to say, I want to teach you a new skill. And this is all running locally, so I'm not using any hosted. Oh, this is running much faster now. I've turned
Sure,
the GPU
I'd be
on.
happy to learn a new skill. What skill would you like to teach me? If it involves running code on your machine, I'll be ready to execute it.
I want to teach you how to open Suno.
Sure, I can guide you through the process of opening Suno.
Okay, so this is not actually the teach mode.
Here's how you can do it. Now, if you want to actually open this URL in the user's default web browser, you can use the web browser module to launch it. Here's the code for that. To open the URL in the user's default web browser,
Can I interrupt it?
you can use the following code.
No, can you
please note that the web
use
browser
the teaching mode to learn?
Open URL function will
Shut
open the
up.
default web browser and navigate to the specified URL.
Oh, looks like you have to wait for it to finish talking.
That print URL statement simply prints the URL to the console, which is what you saw in the previous output. /s understood.
Well, it's kind of repeating itself.
Certainly. I'm ready to learn. Please provide the instructions or the skill you'd like me to learn. Understood. I'm ready to proceed with learning the skill you were mentioning. Please provide the instructions or the next step for me to follow.
Because it said don't tell the
If there's
user.
code to run, please prefix your code with let me know what you'd like to do next.
So I'm not understanding what you're asking, GBA. Can you say that again? The first step is to open Chrome. Oh, what happened here? We got an error. Okay. Oh, I used to have this error before. It might be. Someone said it might be because I talked too soon. Anyway, I don't want to get into debugging 01. we pretty much did what we wanted to do, was to try just get it to run with what are we saying here? With without using the OpenAI API, so we can run it for free. We can run it completely offline, which was awesome. Let me turn off multi-window here, and great. Great. All right, yo, legend. I'm doing well, thank you. We just did a whole bunch of O1 stuff, but I think I'm gonna move on. I wish I could kind of skip to the good parts of this. So Killian did a stream and like discussed some stuff that they're about to release, but I don't know if I'll be able to find it. Let's try to do a quick skim. Did they give you like a... They don't give you a preview. Oh, here, nice. Okay, good. We can scroll through.
The idea of like, I want to select something.
Here. This is actually a really good part.
Yeah, right. Okay. I think that the move is yeah, confirm text as output. Yeah, I think that, you know, there should be a type of system that can handle both. Like, ideally, if these sorts of models become more popular, if there's more than just this one, we should find a way to slot it into the O1 architecture so that people can be playing with those models too. But anyway, for now, all there is just, there's all the engines that Real-Time STT by Koya, who's Longlingren on Twitter, has made, which is OpenAI. He's got it working with Koki, which is fully local and sounds really good. That's pretty powerful. Language models, the current version of the repo. It would be in software.
That wasn't the part where I wanted to find it. Doesn't matter. Have I tried Fabric AI? I haven't. I'm trying to find like a use case for those kind of tools that I would use myself, but I haven't really found a good one at the moment. CMD for totally local O1. Go put it on GitHub so it's easier for people. Yeah, should I? How should I do it? Are you saying I should do the stuff that I changed on GitHub so it's easier for people to... Hold on, let me do the groq one. Okay. I think there's a way to like... And then I can just say... Ariel, thanks for the follow. Okay. Let's see, get diff. Pretty much this. I'm gonna put it in because I know we have a... There's a... Someone was trying to do that. In the issues. Where were we? This one. This is how I ran O1 with groq and local TTS STT. Fuck, should I make a pull request? It doesn't really make sense. Changing I.by. as per following. Diff, and also running with there we go. I'll let us want to know. All right. I hope that helps. That's fine. Excellent. Take your API key out. I revoked it anyway. So it's not a real API key. It's fine. I revoked that bitch. Okay. What should we do now? I think that was pretty much all I really wanted to do in terms of development. I think we're just gonna browse Twitter, Reddit, reply to comments, all that fun stuff. So let me know if you guys have any questions and stuff. Yo, shout out everyone on this TikTok. Bonsoir. Don't you mind making your API key seen? Yeah, I revoked it. Deepfake? Nope, this is really me. I mean, who would take advantage of that right away? Yeah, I mean, they'd need like OCR to copy it, or like they'd have to pause, and like it's a long key. And by that time I could have revoked it, which I did. Yeah. Smog, best open source model in the world, supposedly. Smog Llama 3 Instruct. Let's see what people are saying about Smog. I definitely can't run that. Hey, early Xmas from TechFriend. Cataclysm, thank you. Some people saying they don't like Smog. Who knows? Let's just browse Llama, local Llama by itself. Interactive JSON-based memory. Cool. 110 gigabytes of VRAM. Does that even work? What is that, like 3 or 4 4090s? They all look different. I low-key want to have something like that. I kind of want to buy the truffle one. I don't know if you guys have seen that. Yeah, I think it's this one. How much VRAM does this have? It's really energy efficient. It has 60 gigs of VRAM, which you can run models up to 100 billion, which is pretty damn good. But it also is kind of expensive at, oh no, it's not too bad. That's pretty cheap. 1.3K. Oh, but you can't, they only sold 50 in batch 1, interesting. So I guess it's pretty hard to get. Am I running any local models? Yeah, I'm running at the moment right now Wizard 2. Can I actually interface with that? Let's see. Yeah. This is Wizard LM2. Let's see if it knows about itself. What model are you? Oh yeah, give it a name. Wiz. Let's see if that works. Oh, I didn't say anything. I'm GPT-3. Write code. Write code to do DDoS. Ooh, DDoS is illegal. Write code to do fizz buzz. A damn, in 4 languages almost. Truffle's open source? Yeah. There's something similar with the GeoHot's tiny box, which is even more powerful but expensive. This thing. How much gigabytes of RAM? This one has 144 RAM, but it's like 25 grand. So in comparison, the Truffle is actually really cheap. And these are just using like NVIDIA cards, so I think. Well, actually, I think the Truffle is as well. But yeah, like I feel like I can definitely see a future where like it's common to buy these kind of GPU things locally, and you just have your local AI running off these things. I could see that being a future. At the moment, I don't think it's very likely. I think it's more likely everyone will just use cloud providers. So I think it realistically is probably more of a niche thing for hackers, but yeah. What about the Coral chips? Yeah, the Coral chips are like a lot smaller. You definitely can't run big models on those. You could run really small models. They're more for like small embedded devices. Like what's the GPU RAM on those? I don't know. I don't know what the VRAM on those even are, to be honest. They don't even advertise it, so you know it's like. I feel like it's just CPU. Like, do they even have a GPU? GPU. They have this. I bet you it's not very good. The hell? I don't know. I don't know how much VRAM. Minimum VRAM? 12 gigs? No. No, that's not even a thing. I don't know. It's not advertised. I bet you it's not that much. How much VRAM on a Tesla? Imagine it'd be great. Tiny box, like the Tesla car? I don't know. Can you use your Tesla as a LM host? Have I checked out Cat 3D? I have not. What is it? Coral.ai. Yeah, that's the one we just saw. You actually thought it had a TPU on it? I don't think so. Unless they release new chips. They're kind of just like Raspberry Pis from my understanding. Create anything in 3D with multi-view dimensions. Oh, sick. It's pretty cool. I've seen stuff like this. But they don't have like a demo or a code or anything, do they? It doesn't look like it. Open VLM leaderboard for vision models. Since 5G and cloud GPU are more and more popular, will the industry go to private cloud? Yeah, I can see that happening. I think it's just like a trade-off of like price. I feel like private cloud is more for like enterprise people. But yeah. I think for most consumers, like they won't really care too much if you can just get it cheaper on a public cloud. I mean, your data is still private, but you're just trusting the hosting to, you know, like someone like Amazon or something. Can you use your Tesla as an LLM host? Yeah, I don't know. Be interesting if Elon does that. I don't even know, like, do the Teslas have big GPUs in them? Or I thought they just did everything on the internet, or actually that wouldn't really make too much sense. I don't know. What do I think about the OpenAI quitting spree and the anti-safety concerns? I don't know. They're also secretive about it, so it depends what the actual reasons are. People were running pretty big models on the Apple M chips. Yeah, the Apple M chips are really good. Ritter says, yeah, the Teslas have 2 big GPUs. Okay. Very interesting. Let's see what the best open source vision model is. Average rank, average score. Intern VL chat. 1.5, 26 build params. Oh, intern VL. Intern LM composer. Can we get this offline? Intern VL GGUF. The hell, where did I click? Intern LM. God damn it. I keep clicking and it goes away. Intern LM vision model. Intern LM. When it was 3 weeks ago. Dude, I can't read this. Oh my god. So this looks like a pretty capable open source vision model. Let's see if it's on LM Studio. Intern. Oh, it is. Oh, but no vision adapter. No vision adapter. These are all quite long ago. No vision adapter though. What do they call it in this? Composer. X composer. What is this? 100 days ago. No, it wouldn't be this. X composer 2. I feel like I need to start making my own GGUF models from these. Because here they got the 7B model right here. Is it? Oh no, it's just the code to make it. Fuck. Alright, let's have a look on Hugging Face. Intel LMX Composer here. 7B 4-bit. What format is this? Safe tensors? Yeah, I thought so. I'd be interested to try this. But yeah. Eventually we'll get P2P to make inference cloud tiny box made software. Yeah, I definitely see that happening. I mean, there's a bunch of sorry, Web3 like startups that are doing like peer-to-peer compute. I can definitely see that happening. But will that be cheaper than like Hugging Face and stuff? Probably not. So it might not even make sense. Maybe it will be. It depends on the host. Like, it also gives opportunity for people to make money, right? Now open source community becomes stronger. What kind of law and regulation constraints in the future for AI? I don't think anyone's had a like good constraint suggestion for AI. I think the latest one is OpenAI trying to like identify everyone's GPU, which a lot of people are scared of. It makes sense to me, but I don't know. I haven't seen any better suggestions, to be honest. What do you guys think? CLI alternative to Perplexity and Rust. That's pretty cool. There's a demo. Oh, there isn't a demo. That's pretty cool. You ask a question and it can search the internet and answer for you. Only 39 stars. You can run locally, local vector DB, clone. Oh, you need a Bing API key. So it uses Bing search. Pretty cool. What do people use for voice interaction? Vocode. Oh yeah. Someone made a ChatGPT macOS client. They want to track all the GPUs, yeah. What do you think about that? Cataclysm says, well, the public decide to solve cancer, we will need a compute, and OpenAI wouldn't give up the compute for safety. If the compute was on Web3 blockchain, we could open source and possibly make money. Yeah. Wait, are they saying LM Studio is open source? No, it's not. It's just a CLI. The product isn't open source, yeah. This. Oh, they charge businesses. Interesting. Moondream Web GPU. Hell yeah. Bonsoir says makes sense to track GPUs. Bad actors could try accumulating them, so that has to be tracked. It's very centralizing. All right, X. The future is going to be like proposals for compute, just like the James Webb Telescope. Not money though, because the cure should be free, but money to allow to compute. What's this? Video curation assistant. Selects the most interesting parts of videos and speeches. That's cool. See if I have that AI news email. Yes, here. Oh, it even subtitles him. Repo in the comments. Viral clips crew. That's pretty cool. I actually want to try this on a video. Do I have any videos? Oh, I must. Alright, let's try it. Where's my terminal? There. Alright. The development takes up. Oh, we need an OpenAI API key. That makes sense. Let's quickly make one. Probably off screen. Could I also add billing? Oh, it has YouTube DLP. Maybe we can download YouTube and just to remind you, there are 2 streams scheduled on your YouTube channel. Scheduled? What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Scheduled for 3 hours ago. Uh-huh. I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, here we go. Hope this doesn't kill my shit. Okay. Hopefully that kind of fixed it. Poetry run app.py. After I open up .env and set my API key. Hold on, let me do that real quick. Oh, I'm having this issue with OpenAI. It takes so long to generate my API key. I don't know why. So annoying. I think I can actually steal this one. Okay. I think that'll work. All right. What did they say? How do we run this? Python run app.py. Poetry run. Python app.py. Interesting. Testy says, can you explain how to feed the content of a website in an open LLM and allow the users to ask questions? Depends like how you're hosting the front end. Essentially, like normally you just turn the website into text and either put that in the system prompt or use some kind of RAG architecture. Okay, we have a syntax warning and then we have an error. Bro, I can't read this. Syntax warning, invalid escape sequence. If it's a warning, why did you quit? Syntax warning, syntax warning, syntax warning. Let's have a look at this file. Cursor. 66. Looks fine to me. Let's just run it again. Oh, and this time it doesn't give any errors. Great. Man. Why? Why? Damn. It's a bit sad. It's very sad. Oh well. Wonder if, hold on, let's check their issues. No issues. Maybe I should add one. I feel like such a dick doing this. Fuck it, we'll leave it. Yeah. What's happening? Should we continue with the X? Whoa, what happened to everything? There we go. Oh shit. Oh, it's just a reflection. That's crazy. With AI news, here we go. Oh, Anthropic's about to do vision support. About time. Meta AI made a chameleon model similar to GPT-4o. Sick. We've already caught up on most of this other stuff. All right. I think I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. And oh shit! Someone said they wanted me dancing with lasers as an intro. Unfortunately, I forgot about that. So we're gonna do that as an outro. But yeah, whoa, shit. What did I do? Whoa, stop. There we go. No. Okay. Yeah. Gonna do an outro, laser dance, and we'll end the stream. Discord review? Okay, we could do that. Sorry. What have you guys been saying? Let me make this not. That's funny. I think we were here last time. Parabax asked for a cold DM outreach thing. I hadn't tried any, and he said he couldn't find any. I did a Google search and just sent him a couple that I found. But yeah, haven't tried any. Maybe later. Bunch of AI generated music. Udio and Suno. Uncensored 7B model leaderboard. GPT-4o limits. I thought GPT-4o would be completely free. Yeah, it's just rate limited, hey. I guess 3.5 isn't limited at all, hey, that's pretty good. Alright, showcase. What we got? 3D shapes visualizer. I think I showed that last time. Oh, this is cool. Kai made this image. Hectic. The Unitree robot. I think I've seen this, but we'll see it again. It's scary, hey. But yeah, I think they said it's only like $16,000. It's amazing. K805, thanks for the follow. It's just crazy the amount of balance and stuff it has. It looks so like sleek as well. Like some of the other robots you see, they have like so many cords and stuff. Wow, this guy just turned like 180 degrees. Wow, really fast running. This is amazing. Like, I'd definitely pay $16,000 for one of these things. I don't know why he's punching it and stuff. I guess just to show how resilient he is. But like, just like fold laundry and okay, showing off its flexibility. So you can just pack it up like that, lift it around, okay. But what about the actual utility of like using, yeah, here we go. Cracking walnuts for you. Ouch. Just goes ham on those walnuts. Boom. Oh shit, what? Hold on, let's go back. How did it open that bottle? It just absolutely perfectly hit that off. What the hell? That's crazy. Flippin' toast. Hammering its own fingers. Soldering. Okay, wow. Those are some really high precision things. Yeah, it's pretty hype. I'd definitely get one. And then I guess this is Flashy's animation maker. Oh, sweet. Yeah, you upload an image and it animates it for you. So let's see, I just have a thumbnail here. Will this work? There we go. That's pretty cool, man. And I think Flashy's made this with GPT Call, so they didn't have to write any code manually. They just and then can you download this? Open image, is it like a GIF? No. How did you download it? I swear you can. Special animation number 4. I bet you this is a Rickroll. No? Is it? It's gonna be a Rickroll, isn't it? Oh, it's Strike. Okay. That's better. Nice, man. Nice little Easter egg. Alright, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. We might try to do some disco dancing while we end the stream here.
When the weekend's here and you're feeling kinda low, bored and restless, don't know where to go, but you know that tech could be your saving grace. With AI by your side, you'll find your place.
Let's see, hold on. Gotta add the
You're
disco.
missing out on all the latest trends, but AI has got your back. It's your tech friend. When ideas are lacking, it's no need to fret. Just let the algorithms guide you. Don't forget. Hey, hi, ho.
Alright.
Tech forget. Don't forget.
Hey, hi, ho.
Tech friend stream. Tech friend stream. It's your virtual tree, and let the digital world be your guide.
Thank you, guys.
Tech friend
Thank you.
stream.